which graph is correct for y equals x squared plus 8x minus 9. The first thing I want to make a note of is the coefficient of x squared is a positive 1, which means that this parabola opens upward. So I can eliminate the two graphs where the parabola opens down. Is these two, again, because the coefficient is positive, the parabola will open up like a cup. So we'll either have B or C. Now, there's two ways we can determine which is the correct graph. One is we can find the axis of symmetry, and the axis of symmetry is found by the line x equals negative b over 2a, and the coefficient of b is 8, so we have x is equal to negative 8 over 2 times the coefficient of x squared, which is 1, and that simplifies to negative 4. So the the axis of symmetry is at negative 4, and that would be here. I notice the x-axis goes from 0 to negative 10, so negative 4 is this line right here. This is a positive 4, so we go from 0 to 10, that's a positive 4. So C is the answer based on the axis of symmetry. The alternate way of solving this is we could factor this. Let me change my pen color here. We could factor this into x plus 9 and x minus 1. Okay, so if I factor this quadratic, I would get these two binomial factors, x plus 9, x minus 1. And setting them both equal to 0, we get the x plus 9 equals 0 when x is equal to negative 9, and x minus 1 equals 0 when x is equal to positive 1. So the x-intercepts will happen at x equals negative 9 and x equals 1, and that's what we have here, negative 9 and positive 1. So whether we use method 1, the axis of symmetry, or method 2, the x-intercepts, both of those methods tell us that the correct answer is C.